This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan kheer. Begin by gathering all your ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You will need 1/2 cup of short grain white rice, 4 cups of full-fat plant milk like coconut or cashew, and 1/4 cup of your preferred sweetener, such as maple syrup or agave nectar. Also prepare about 6 green cardamom pods and a few saffron threads for rich flavor. First, rinse your 1/2 cup of short grain white rice under cold running water for a couple of minutes until the water runs completely clear. This step removes excess starch, which helps prevent stickiness. After rinsing, soak the rice in about 1 cup of fresh water for at least 30 minutes. This softens the grains and significantly reduces cooking time. Draining the soaked rice completely before adding it to the pot is important. Now, combine the drained, soaked rice with your 4 cups of full-fat plant milk in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Place the pot over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally to prevent the rice from settling. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot partially, and let it simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring every 5 to 7 minutes. This slow cooking allows the rice to absorb the milk and become wonderfully creamy. During the last 10 minutes of simmering, stir in your 1/4 cup of sweetener, such as maple syrup or agave nectar, along with a small pinch of saffron threads for beautiful color and aroma. Take 6 green cardamom pods, gently crush them, and add only the inner seeds to the kheer for that authentic, warm spice. Stir these new additions thoroughly, ensuring they are well combined throughout the creamy rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.